Buongiorno, hola. This is indeed a great day. It's a place in history where time and tide stand still as we enter into the exciting and solemn occasion of this wedding. The bringing together of Fernanda da Silva Ramos and Robert John Waddell. That was 7 years ago, and now, having travelled from our two great countries, Brazil and Australia, we find ourselves here in this beautiful country, in front of this beautiful historic building, looking over this beautiful iconic body of water. These things are made all the more beautiful by this handsome couple we have standing before us today. On behalf of Fernanda and Rob, I would like to welcome you all here today as we share with these two this most wonderful occasion. After all the organising, discussions, preparations, fittings and throwing fits, we have finally come to the climax, the crescendo, to enter into the privilege of joining in and witnessing this most blessed event. We have gathered here today in the sight of God to bring these two people together in marriage.
I promise to love you and protect you, be there for you in the good times and the bad times, in sickness and in health, as long as we both shall live. I promise to try to help you with your struggles and problems while trying not to tell you what to do. The struggles we have faced, we can now face together. I promise to always be there for you. Thank you for being on my team. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for being mine, and I am yours.
I promise to always be your biggest supporter, cheering on your accomplishments as if they were my own, to tell you that I love you every day, to remind you of your strengths in the days that you need. And I promise to never take this love for granted, to keep thanking God and working on it, day after day, because working on our love feels like a blessing, something I have to cherish for the rest of my life. I gave you my heart 6 years ago, and today I give you the rest of my life. I love you. Eu te dei meu coração há 6 anos atrás, e hoje eu te dou o resto da minha vida. Eu te amo.